I'm going to show you how to create video using your normal Google Gemini that is directly on your phone. First, watch what was created with Google Gemini.
Alpha Text doesn't just post, it analyzes trends in real time. It turns your ideas into optimized viral content. No matter your niche, this AI works for you. Meet Alpha Text, the AI that works while you sleep, creating and posting your videos automatically. Wake up to viral results.
Want to try out the newest way to create videos right from your phone? Here is how you can use Google's new video generator inside Gemini. First, open the Gemini app on your phone and tap the plus button. From the menu that appears, look for the video option and select it. Next, simply type out a description of the video you want to create, and the tool will generate it for you. I am also currently building a platform that automates your posting schedule so you can grow your audience while you sleep. Be sure to subscribe so you will be the first to know when it officially launches, and subscribe for more tech tips just like this.
Welcome to the absolute future of technology. The AI that creates and posts on all your social media platforms directly. The future is now.